So how to take your permit test online in New York. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to take your permit test online if you are in New York. So what you want to do is go to the dmv.ny.gov website, and then from here you will see the steps that you need to do so that you can take your permit test online. So what you want to do is begin your permit application and take your test. So first what you want to do is log into or create an ny.gov ID account. So if you don't have an ny.gov ID, you'll be able to create one. So step 2, tell us who you are. So from here, you need to input your details on who you are, like where you live, and more personal details. And then step 3, confirm the type of permit you want. So if it's a car or motorcycle. Next, identify the supporting documents you have and the forms you'll need to get a permit. So from there, you'll need to know what documents you need and forms when you're about to get your permit. Then after that, once you've gotten your documents and forms, upload your documents. So you must provide scanned or photo images of your identity documents. And then step 6, review and confirm your application. And then once your application is confirmed, you can now take the test. So note that they will email you the permit test link, and you must begin the test within 15 minutes of receiving the link. So you cannot take the test on your mobile phone. You must take it on a tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So after you pass your permit test, you will need to make a new reservation to visit the office to show the documents you uploaded. So have your photo taken and be issued a permit. So to begin the online process, it's already in their website. So you can see over here, there's a button right here that says begin the online permit application process. So just click on that and then just do the steps from there. So yeah, that is pretty much it.